How are you doing, everyone? In today's video, we're going to be replacing this piece of the trim door area. I don't know the exact name, but essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing that and we're going to be adding the new ones we got from Mita Motorsports. So essentially, I don't have any instructions, so I'm going to wing it, and what I'm going to do is just reverse engineer it. The new one looks like it has tabs, and I don't see any screws or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is with some trim tools, I'm just going to gently pry up the one that's on the car right now and see what happens. Okay, let's give it a shot. I'm going underneath, and boom. That was pretty straightforward so far. Oh, look, I think this piece needs to come off. So we're having a little bit of trouble with the fuel release button. So we're going to reverse engineer it like this. It looks like the little lever goes in through here and probably clips in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to push it out or look inside there. So let me look what's happening on the car. Okay, so I had to try it off camera, but I learned how to do it. Simply I put my pry tool in here and I just gently pried it off and it came off. And it is off. And now we could remove this and it's off. It'd be a good time to clean up this area here, just because we have access to it before we install the new one. Now we're going to go ahead and just line up the new one. And we have to do is we're going to have to navigate it through this little lever here first and just feel everything out. All right, that one's in there. Now we're going to put the fuel cap. And now we're going to go ahead and put the fuel cap in there. We want to line it up with the right one and just pull back on it. And it clipped in. And look at that, guys. Look at the difference. Oh man, we're just making the NSX look really nice. All right, we're going to do the other side real quickly. And that is what I'm talking about. That looks fresh. I love it. I think it's important whenever you're looking at a car, the stuff that's like right in front of you, that should be like always really clean or new or in good shape. And I think we hit the mark with that. Well guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. You take care and we will see you soon.